Hello everyone, this is Cynthia, She's So Blessed. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to share a video with you, and the name of my video is Traditional Christmas Sunday Tablescape. Yes guys, this is my traditional Christmas Sunday Tablescape. We normally do videos every other Sunday, so we decided that we wanted to do a traditional color, red and white and green. So I'm going to share with you what I have, guys, but I also want you to be so kind if you can go by and check Tammy and Alberta channel. They are two awesome creators. They does a lot of DIYs. They do cook with me, clean with me, shopping hauls, and they do much more. So please check out their channel when you're done with me. Also check out our playlist. So I'm going to go around very slow and let you see what I have done. And after that, guys, that will conclude this video. It's like 1:30 in the morning and I have to go to church. But I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for all my new supporters. I appreciate you. I have reached my goal, actually a little over my goal. But I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you. Tammy and Alberta, I appreciate you also. Wish you guys a happy Merry Christmas. And also Lynn, Lifestyle Living, if you're listening to me. And Diva Decorating, wish you a Merry Christmas. And the things that I have bought on the tables, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you in a shopping haul. So stay tuned for that video. Guys, let every day count. Live your best life. Keep God in your mind, your heart, your soul. And always remember, guys, when Christmas comes, Jesus is the reason for the season. So let's keep Jesus into our Christmas. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you like about it. I hope that you can see your Tablescape. Hope that you're able to participate. And I hope you enjoy our video. That concludes my video, guys. You guys have a wonderful, blessed morning. And I'm going to turn in for bed. So, I will see you, yes, you, and you in the next video. You guys have a blessed night. Bye-bye.